कैया कांदेन रे खो ओ दुलारो मैं न गे एने चराचियो ने कैया कांदेन रे खो ओ दुलारो मैं न गे एने चराचियो हाय रे भाला ससुरारी कांदेन रे खो ओ दुलारो मैं न गे एने चराचियो ओने पानी चियो कैया
Hey brother, where are you going? Who will feed your lovely birds? Please come back. Hey brother, are you going to Lo's house? Who will feed your lovely birds? Please don't go, come back. This singing is a beautiful song. Conversation between brother-in-law and younger brother-in-law. So there is a funny relationship between brother-in-law and younger brother-in-law. So they can make jokes or funny things anytime. There is a lovely relationship between both of them. So brother-in-law is singing beautiful song to his younger brother-in-law. So she is telling, hey brother, where are you going? Who will feed your lovely birds? Are you going to Lo's house? So please come back, please don't go. Who will feed your lovely bird? So thank you very much for watching this lovely song video.